Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit money in Bybit. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for bybit.com. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, hover your cursor over the Buy Crypto tab at the top left side and a drop-down menu will appear. Inside it, you can either deposit crypto into your account or you can deposit money. In order to deposit money, select this option and you will be sent to this web page. Now, you just need to select the currency from this menu and then enter the preferred amount. Once done, select the payment method from below it and click on the Continue button. Here, you will be asked to enter information like your bank account number. Simply completely fill these fields, click on Next, and then initiate the transaction to complete the process. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.